This too was in the garden indoor hydroponic system, and it is thriving, but I feel like it could do so much better if it expanded more. So I'm going to put it in with these other strawberries that I have. This is what it looks like outside of the cup holder. Has a few coming in. So she'll continue just growing and get her ready to transport.
Hey, Mom. What are you doing?
I am cutting this. No, not enough.
The plants in a new pot.
You got it, dude. Ooh, ready for picking.
Yep. And what they should start. No, smells ripe. Let's try it.
How is that?
Look. Want to try it? Tasty.
All right.
This can happen when you're not checking on the roots and the overgrowth. So be sure you're checking that. I'm going to plant this in the outdoor garden because it is way too big and I want it to continue thriving in here. This one's going to be a little more difficult, so. Oh.
See it.
No?
That one's going to be a little tricky to pick out, right? Hey guys, those are all those groups. What? Dude.
What?
He just popped that up with the snap, and then that happened.
Yeah? Cool.
I'm trying, gosh. Okay, try it.
Big. That is big. That's how you do that.
Is that your cilantro?
No, this is actually Italian parsley.
Ooh, can I try a leaf?
Oh, I just picked one off here.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
This might be tasty. Let's try it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's getting ready to get picked.
It's not getting ready to get picked. Huh?
That's to get a little bigger.
Yeah, just a little bit.
That's to have a little bit of red. Huh, Mom?
What, baby?
Does it have a little bit of red? Huh, Mom?
No, doesn't. Nope, it's
Okay.
perfect. Can you give me the shovel? The little shovel, the green one? I think it's over there somewhere.